Hi everyone. So in the last video, we are discussing that how we can implement limit using Python. So in this particular video, we are going to learn about how we can build a simple calculator using FLASK. Okay, so this will be our front-end UI where we will take the input from the user, and then based on the input, you will compute the we will compute the limit of the function. Okay, so if you can build, like if you are going to build it from the scratch, so it will improve your Python programming as well as Flask basic concept also, like how get method work, how post method work. So in upcoming 2 or 3 videos, I'm going to explain you in detail of like how we are going to implement this application. For an example, so let me show you the let me show you the okay, let me show you the functionality of it, working of it. So if I'm passing -2, so let's suppose I'm getting -2. Okay, suppose if you can compute it. Okay, so you can compute the limit of it. Let's suppose I'm computing at -6, sorry, -3. So let's compute the limit x approach -3. Okay, and this is a x square -9 divided by x plus 3. So if you compute it, this will be x approach -3, x -3, I can write it in another bracket, x plus 3 divided by x plus 3. So we can cancel it. So we will end with x -3. So we can directly put the limit value. So this will be -3. So this will be -6. So that is a correct answer which we are getting here. So okay, so I'm not going to build a proper website. Okay, so don't just ignore all the formatting and everything, but it will be the end-to-end working, like from taking the input from the user, okay, and then applying some function on top of it, and then returning the output. Okay, so in the next video we are going to implement it from the scratch.